Welcome to Fashion Blast, your space of style, confidence, and timeless beauty. Today we are revealing 50 of the most youthful haircuts that can make you look radiant and refreshed. Whether you are 50, 60, 70, or beyond, as we age, our hair changes, but that doesn't mean we have to lose our style. A well chosen haircut can instantly brighten your face, soften lines, and make you feel years younger. Fr- From texture bobs to soft pixie cuts, these looks are designed to bring out your natural beauty. Some of the most flattering haircuts for mature women include the soft layered bob, light and full of movement, a wispy lob perfect for thin or fine hair, a modern pixie bold, fresh and facelifting, feather shags great for adding volume and softness. To keep your haircut looking fresh and radiant, add layers to create volume. Try side sweep bangs to open up the face. Keep the length around the chin or collarbone for balance. Embrace your natural gray or add subtle highlight for dimension. So, my dear friend, if you like my video, please press the like button. And after watching the video, you must comment in the comment section how was the video and what you want to see in our channel videos. Please share my video with your friends and your family because everyone needs styling. Sharing your video will help them too and you will help me. Remember, age is just a number but confidence is timeless. The right haircut is not just about looks, it's about how you feel. So choose a style that reflects your personality and wear it with pride. Which hairstyle inspired you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Fashion Blast for more timeless beauty ideas for women just like you. Somehow I will keep bringing good videos for you guys. At the same time, I would like ask your permission to leave. See you soon in another nice video. Until then, take care of yourself. Thank you.